This video was recorded on the evening of Monday, November 1st, during a drive through the Lincoln Street Northeast obstacle course. I previously went through this obstacle course with FSD Beta 10.2, and so I wanted to see just how FSD Beta 10.3 would react, and if there were any changes, positive or negative. Well, without further ado, let's see if FSD Beta 10.3 can get through the obstacle course without any disengagements, much like 10.2. Alright, here we go, Tesla Thunderdome. Let's not do 20, 30 on this thing. Not bad. I think there's maybe 1 or 2 more days left of the obstacle course before they actually open up Johnson Street.
Really?
Yep. Then the obstacle course goes away. So this will be the last time we get to test it with FSD Beta. Yeah, I saw the sign. Not many people can still drive down the street fast with all the obstacles, especially a computer. So comparing to 10.2, I don't really see any regressions with FSD Beta 10.3.1. So looks like it navigated the obstacle course without really any issues. So the only thing I did to intervene was to set the speed, but that was just to get it to follow the speed limit that was posted within the obstacle course.